It started out being something entirely different. It started out with being primarily a company that developed sporting events from, once again, concept to the final product. Also today is a consulting company that do everything from creative idea generating to event execution and everything in between. Every client and every project is custom in some way and obviously relying on experience, but we are always working in our aspect not that much time to actually deliver the quality that we want or the client expect. Is always like the biggest difficulty in the phase, but it was fragmented how we did it before and just involved a lot of hand-drawn sketches, a lot of meetings, a lot of phone calls and coordination face to face. We knew we needed some way to unify the work process that we have. We kind of stumbled over it and that led us onto a journey of digitalizing all our processes. Just that standalone process saved us a lot of hours on site in execution. It could show us situations that we normally couldn't see before being on site. Already on an early stage, Vitus helped us in projects and in complex building sites that we normally first could do on site. So the entire production team actually built from an iPad or a phone, and they don't have questions for a project manager in the build phase. They have it on hand, and the full production team has access to the different models and can build it there.
Once it's in Vitus and once it's compared to the specific landscape it's standing on, we have to trust the equipment and trust the platform to guide us through. We wouldn't have been able to build this in such a short time period. That would have been close to impossible, minimizing the number of fuck-ups. It's the best one I know of, and it's the most user-friendly, easy to use. What I specifically need it for, it's perfect for.
All the major difficulties in building a complex design in a complex environment on a short timeline is removed because all the different aspects of it has already been drawn up. We are working live with the data on site. It's integrated into a common language, both internally and externally. Seeing that we can move on from hands-on, very time-consuming, labor-heavy construction, succeeding with far larger and more complex projects than we used to do is a far greater pride than actually being a part of a global brand or a large project.